Well. Alright, so I've got the new Tmotor 5150 racing props. Let's check them out. So they seem to be fairly light, they're 5.2 grams each. They're fairly thick, very stiff, and have a fairly aggressive pitch that seems to taper off at the end, but still fairly thick right to the end where it's getting most of the thrust at higher speed. You can't tell much just from looking at them though, so let's fly them. Alright, give me your reactions on these props. Oh, I'm tangled.
I don't know what their reaction.
What do you think? What do you think of it? Do they look nice?
They look beautiful.
I'm going to edit this to be hilarious. Don't you worry.
Very stiff.
They are very stiff.
Stiff. Ah, stiff, aren't they?
Very stiff. Much like yourself. I reckon Sam will give me a good opinion on these. What do you think about these props, Sam? They're new. They're from Tmotor.
It'd be a nice prop. What is that, 51 or?
5150. Pretty aggressive.
Yeah, I've been flying 51s now as well.
Yeah.
And
but it's the 50 that's
yeah.
a lot.
Yeah, totally.
That's a lot of prop.
It's good though. Like I'm running a 51 52s.
Oh yeah. Right.
And they're it's
not too much.
But like low down, there's no like good acceleration.
Yeah.
But once they get going, it's really fast, you know. And then you maintain this half throttle.
Yeah, that's the thing. You do the whole track at about 50% throttle.
Yeah.
And then you got extra oomph if you need it.
Yeah, and you're never blasting it. It's
Yeah, that's
efficient.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird. It ends up efficient because you don't crank it. I think if you punch it hard, then your battery will catch fire.
Yeah.
But no, I agree.
I think they're nice. They should be green. That's my only.
Well, yeah, they only sent me orange.
Well,
I think they should be purple, to be honest.
Yes.
Purple better.
That would be great.
All right, thanks, man. Yeah.
Not sharp enough to do me tooth.
Not sharp enough to do your
front tooth.
Plenty. Oh, is that how you gap spark plugs as well? You just hold them up. Give me your opinion on these props.
What are they?
They're Tmotor. They're 5150.
5150.
Yep.
And there's a pretty slim profile.
Slim profile, yeah. Slim leading edge.
Slim leading edge.
But a piece of one missing when I landed, and I don't know how. I don't think I had midair, but there was a bit
I
missing.
feel like these are going to like explode, but I mean, under load, they should hold up pretty well. So, keen to see.
Yeah.
Have they come out yet or no?
No.
Are these prototype?
I think they're announcing them. No, they're production, but they're announcing them next week.
Sweet.
All right, Chris. Thoughts?
Yeah, very sturdy compared to their 5143.
Yeah, they're like the opposite of the 5143, right?
Yeah, and this really steep pitch here will help, I think,
Yeah.
with a low throttle.
They got a big attach point at the hub, I noticed as well.
Yeah,
I think they're worried about the hub breaking off.
yeah.
They just don't bend when you compare them to the
They're
HQ.
just, like, really?
Yeah, in fact, I'm pretty sure.
Because you can't use the winglet, can you?
No.
The 5149 or something.
No,
Someone said.
52s I can't use.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good. Penny for your thoughts? You're a Tmotor fan.
I'm a Tmotor.
Well, they're Tmotor props.
They are.
They got the feedback from the 5143.
Probably, yeah.
I mean,
Probably a lot of
I've tried
people.
the last props a few times, and I did like them.
The 43s.
Yeah.
The 43s,
It's
yeah.
got good control, but it's just
Yeah.
They just broke really easy.
I don't think these are going to be breaking easy, but
I hope so. I mean, they actually look pretty good.
you can't tell from a stationary prop really what it's going to be like, though.
No,
So-
no, that's the other issue. Unless you're meat there.
Yeah,
That's
it's
gonna
sort
be
of.
the point.
You know, some props have a single bend point. These sort of progressively go in, and the shape doesn't change. So they might not bend in one point.
I reckon you might.
All right, let's see how we go.
I like it. They're definitely worth a try.
I brought it in, just cut through all of it. Alright guys, I'm calling it. I'm calling it. These props are really good.
What are they?
I'm actually gonna get some.
What the f are these?
These are Tmotors. What the f? 5150s.
Looks like someone designed them while they were drinking whiskey.
Special boys. Well, they work well.